Thank you all for your patience. We're going to start taking questions now. Okay guys, we're going to wrap this up now. Thank you very much for attending.
All smiles ahead of kickoff. What sort of impact can he have at this club? We're about to find out. Stay with us on EA TV. And welcome everyone to England's Northwest. The action soon to get underway here at Old Trafford. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And there are few more enjoyable days on the football calendar than opening day in the Premier League. It's Manchester United up against Tottenham Hotspur.
Well, Derek, these fans expect Champions League qualification here, and they've got every reason to feel that way, I think. But they'll need to get off to a winning start just to build that confidence.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea stands between the posts. Marcus Rashford starts with Leroy Sané in the wide positions. And the lead striker today is Anthony Martial. And Spurs will go with this starting 11. Hugo Lloris is the goalkeeper. Rodrigo Bentancur plays alongside Stanislav Lobotka in central midfield. And the main striker today is Harry Kane. Nice and easy for the keeper. Well, it's always intriguing when a new manager arrives in the technical area. Stuart, will the Champions League be in their future?
Well, they've brought him in to get the best out of some very talented players. But unless he does get that Champions League football, as you said, he'll be under a bit of pressure.
Sané. Martial. And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one.
Well, as you can see, his movement is really good, which then makes the finish look easy. That's a decent goal, that's for sure.
So the ball is rolling again. That should shake up Spurs a bit. Fernandes, can he put it away? Oh, right in the nick of time. He must finish. Real defensive resilience. Sané. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Well, nicely cut out. Dejan Kulusevski. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Effective challenge. Oh, showing excellent vision. Well, he's been ruled to have taken up an illegal position, only just, however, Stuart.
Well, he loves running off the back of defenders, but on this occasion, he's just gone a fraction too early.
Stanislav Lobotka. They've lost it. Fernandes. Now Casemiro. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, he really read that brilliantly. Martial. And in with a real chance. And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there.
Perfect challenge. Well, it could be on for him here. It's still alive. And a time for calm on the ball. Well, shielding the ball admirably. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. And a Tottenham Hotspur free kick coming up. And he's won the ball. Dejan Kulusevski. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. Going well. And Tottenham will get the throw in. Well, he has the measure of his man. Easy save for David De Gea. Chouameni.
Well, there it is. United haven't had as much of the ball, but their speed of attack when they win the ball back has been breathtaking. It's been a really
wait a moment, Stuart. Look at what's happening. Oh, it looked as though he might be through. Not so. Martial. Now potential danger. And the keeper nowhere to be found. Not that he's complaining.
Well, let's take another look. Yeah, he won't get an easier finish than that. The defending was all over the place, though.
So underway once more, 2-0 the lead here. Anthony Martial. Rashford. Aurélien Chouameni. Rashford! Really well hit, but just too much height on it. Ivan Perisic. Now Son. A Spurs free kick it's going to be. He's got space. This looks promising out wide. Bruno Fernandes. Well, putting it wide from there. A pity, really. Well, taking into account all the stoppages, 2 minutes to be added on. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Good tackle, it'll be a throw. And there goes the whistle. That closes the book on the first half here at Old Trafford. Underway at Old... And the second half underway. It really was a dazzling first 45 from United. Just the challenge that was required. Casemiro. Will it be? And in it goes from Martial.
Well, I have to say, this is a really good goal. He skips past his marker, and that gives him the space to get his shot away. Excellent stuff from him.
On they go again, and United beginning to run away with this. Lobotka. Can he do it? Shot blocked, but still alive. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Well, a disappointing free kick, a long way off target.
Well, no wonder he's looking a bit sheepish. Really poor effort, you have to say.
Tchouameni. Here's Martial now. Well, great read there to intercept. Well, they know they need to stop him. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Not the pass he had in mind. Well, many have wondered if they would get it over the line in terms of the deal. They've succeeded, Stuart.
Well, he'll certainly bring much-needed experience to them. Let's just hope he's still got the legs to have a real impact. I think he'd do well.
Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. 30 minutes left for play. Kane. Lobotka. And he'll take efforts like that all day. Long. Rafael Varane. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Sané. There to take it away. In position. And saved by the keeper. And the short option preferred. Sancho, and a fine cross. And another corner, hot on the heels of the last one. And a change for Spurs at this juncture. It's a short corner. Jadon Sancho. Well, it wasn't a taxing save. Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Fulham. United come away with it. Weghorst. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Will they profit from this situation? Well, the attack lacked a little bit of oomph. Take it away. Rashford getting forward. Is it going to be? In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, just look at the defending here. They just don't read the danger. It's a poor goal to concede.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. A quarter of an hour remaining here. And a bad pass it was. Well, not far away from full-time now, and United excelling here.
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
Bruno Fernandes. It might be. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of their performance.
Well, as the replay shows us, Fernandes picks out the pass to beat that defensive line, and Sancho wasn't going to miss this one. From that sort of range, he was always going to score. What a well-constructed goal.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Pedro Porro. Bentancur with it. Might really be able to trouble them here. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Rashford. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Oh, he's through here. It's gone in! And well, he might celebrate on the back of that.
Well, just look at this again. The speed of counter-attack is so impressive, but you do have to ask questions of the keeper. Could he have done better here? I think so. You can't be beaten at your near post like that.
Well, it's an out-and-out pasting. 6-0. Weghorst. And now passing it through. Well, capable of so much better, to be honest.
Well, I expected more as well, Derek. I thought from that sort of position, he had every chance of scoring, but it's a poor effort.
Number 9, Richarlison.
Weghorst. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Three minutes of added time here. He's in with a chance. Well, he had the chance. He went for power. He might be regretting that now.
Well, he got his angles all wrong there. That's a poor miss.
Arnaut Danjuma. Pedro Porro. And with that, the attack fizzles out. And there it is, the final whistle. It's a Manchester United victory.
Well, it was always going to be a tough match, but in the end, they just...
Sané. And I must say it's always a very pleasant walk to this venue, Craven Cottage, by the banks of the Thames. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, at the microphone. And sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player, Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Fulham taking on Manchester United.
Thanks, Derek. Well, a good result for United in their opening fixture. They put in a solid performance, they got the 3 points they wanted, and they can now look forward to this one with some confidence.
And here's the starting 11 for Fulham. Shane Duffy plays with Issa Diop in central defence, and the striker today is Alexander Mitrovic. And is he going to do it, Martial? Well, he didn't miss by very much at all. Well, the fans have been wondering how this might go. It is his debut game. Stuart, what should we be looking for from him today?
Well, he's a good player, no doubt about that, and he will certainly improve their midfield. I just hope he settles in quickly and shows us what an effect he can have on this team.
Anthony Martial, and a poor ball. Dan James. And teammates to play it to. And under pressure, that was a fine claim. Davies. Oh, big chance. And he ought to be very proud of that one.
Well, here it is again. He's alive to the situation. He makes good contact with the ball and he keeps it down. That's a nice headed goal.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. Plenty of support here. Oh, he's through here. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. Rafael Varane. Alphonso Davies. Rashford. And space for him to cut in. Oh, good save. And over comes the corner. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. Now they've lost it. And teammates around him. Bruno Fernandes! And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the opposition to contain him. And no wonder he's off celebrating. So the action underway once more. And it's beginning to look as though it's a case of how many for United. Mitrovic. Oh, this is looking promising. And the keeper more than equal to the task. Chouameni. Far from a good pass. Sasha Lukic. Mitrovic. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. Bruno Fernandes.
Well, United have certainly controlled the ball, as you can see. And that's been because of their ability to win the ball back so quickly.
Oh, wait a minute. They could be in here. Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping. Fernandes. On to Martial. He's given us away. Palinha. Breaking at pace. Dan James. This is looking threatening. Read it superbly to take back possession. That is how to put in a challenge. He's been a bit unlucky to concede the corner. Who can they pick out? Oh, really good header. But the goalkeeper there to cover up. Behind for another corner. Can they cash in? And the danger's still on. Well, they can bring it out now. He's in behind. Is it going to be a goal? And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, let's see this again. This is counter-attacking football at its very best. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Good tackle. Aaron Cresswell. Cresswell. Now will the cross work out for them? Well, it came to nothing in the end. Leroy Sané. Sané. Firing it in. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of their performance.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
Well, sadly, we have to conclude that this hasn't really been a contest, but all credit to any side committed to scoring goals like this. Sané. Oh, wonderful bit of skill. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Rashford. Oh, a lovely ball. Oh, keeper in control. Playing it in. Well, too close to the goalkeeper to really pose a threat. And the referee's whistle. We're officially at the halfway mark here. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. Well, Fulham have the ball back now. Plenty of support here. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Dalot. And the cross not sufficiently well played in. Well, there's been so much talk about a potential transfer, but it's potential no more. It's fact.
Well, the fee being talked about is around £70 million, so he'll need to have a huge impact on the team almost immediately. But if he plays well, the fans will love him.
Well, a goal to let you know about in the Brentford game. Here's Alex Scott.
Yeah, it's a goal for Arsenal. The defender was caught in possession just before the goal. He won't want to be watching that back. They're back level. It's 1-1 with 53 minutes played. No messing around this half, Derek.
Cheers, Alex. And it's United's turn now. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. Willian. And reading it absolutely superbly. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Manchester United.
What a chance this is, Derek.
And thumped away. Davies. On to Zabitzer. And he saw the situation developing. Well, we're into the final half hour. James. Mitrovic. And he takes on the shot. And the keeper more than equal to it. Willian with it. And a good take under duress there. Fred. In behind for him to chase. Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out any sign of danger. James. Dan James. Mitrovic. Well, the supporters think it's on. Putting his body on the line. Was always likely to be the goalkeeper's ball. Well, time for a scoring update from the West Ham game. Let's join Alex Scott.
It's another for Brighton. They've pulled one back with 66 minutes played.
Thanks as always to Alex Scott. Oh, great play. Mitrovic. And the cross fired over, but no real central pressure applied. Pretty routine there for the goalkeeper. Chouameni. Sancho now. Zabitzer. Oh, that's really high-class goalkeeping. And now we find out it was offside anyway. So a personnel change then. Good tackle taken away. Sancho, a real opening now. Oh, he saved it well.
Well, the keeper deserves a lot of credit. That was a fine save, wasn't it?
Great opportunity. And he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. Aaron Cresswell. Pereira. Wilson. He's given us away. Jadon Sancho. Simply couldn't beat the first defender. Really good challenge. Pereira. Mitrovic. Oh, fancy footwork. He can't hold on to it. That is a really disappointing effort. Goodness me.
On that occasion, just didn't make the right sort of contact. Should be testing the goalkeeper from that sort of range.
Well, Manchester United all-powerful. They've accelerated away in this one, Stuart.
Well, what can you say about this performance? They've been absolutely brilliant. They've played with such guile and creativity, and their passing has been so expansive. Not many teams would have stopped them today.
Well, lovely work to get past his man. For them unable to hang on to it. Pereira. And De Gea untroubled. Right, I'm hearing something important has happened in the West Ham game, and Alex Scott has the details.
Another for West Ham United. It's now level at 2-2 with 87 minutes played.
Alex with the info as ever. There to take it away. Mitrovic. Here's Willian. Pereira. Counter-attacking, very much an option. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Marcel Sabitzer. And back with Rashford. Well, we could have made that decision from up here on the gantry. So making the substitution now.
And number 5, Aaron Creswell. To be replaced by
An important interception.
16, Thomas Munier. And number 33, Anthony Robinson.
And the referee blows for full time. Positives for Manchester United. 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, I've been really impressed with them, Derek. They've shown a lot of good qualities in their first couple of games. I think they're going to have an excellent season. I really...
And is he going to do it, Martial? Well, he didn't miss.